Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get voice chat on Roblox. Just tap on three Roblox app and to open, and once you open it you just need to tap on three dot and go to settings, go to in privacy. So basically if you want to get voice chat, you have to check whether you have microphone in the privacy or not. And so once you have microphone, just tap on toggle button next to it to enable it. Once you enable, from here just go back and open any game that supports microphone as communication. I'll show you how can you check. In communication, it's check whether it supports microphone or not. So in this game you can check your voice chat feature. So once you open the game, guys, you can see the mic over Avatar's head. You just need to tap on it to enable voice chat, and as you can see it started working. And if you tap on this beta option here, or you can tap on the Roblox icon and you can tap on mic over here to enable voice chat as well, like here, and also from here as well. If you want to enable text face tracking, you can also enable it, but from here by tapping on here and just tap on it. Now if you move your head, it started tracking with your voice, or it will tracking with your movement. As you can see, if I move my head, it's doing motion tracking with my face movement. So yeah, that's it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.